environment, we have expectations. Yes, we are willing for that. We have no problem. See, in Pakistan, we have two industries. The one is ceramic industry, second is crude oil industry. In both industries, if we work on these things, definitely it would be adding value, not for ourselves, but also for the economy. Okay? So we have no problem at all. We are willing, and we will follow guidelines. Okay? We have no problem at all. Okay? And yes, we need a plan. We need, you can say, action plan for that. We have a plant as well. We use water for drinking. जो हमारा प्लांट लगा हुआ है यहाँ, हम खुद पानी पी रहे होते हैं उसमें से.
To give you technical support.
Okay.
But as far as finances are concerned, you have to participate.
We have to participate. Okay.
You have to participate.
Okay. So is it partnership or fully?
Well, if Faisalabad, and the idea is this: the intent is not to become an enforcement mechanism. This is not the job of this project, but rather to establish a mechanism for